Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. You are watching my channel. I am here with a new video. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and share my videos. The topic of today's video is 15 must have Windows apps and softwares for any new PC, that application that should be installed on the new PC if you are new user and if you have purchased a new device. First one is your browser. The browser should be very important to work on related to online or internet or searching or browsing. So Google Chrome is best of them. Even you can choose other one. There are different cloud storage, cloud drive. You should set up a cloud drive to store your data or backup. The next one is music streaming. Spotify. Music streaming for Spotify is about the listening music on your system. It is free subscription available. If you want to subscribe, you can buy this. Next one is Office Suite, that is LibreOffice 7.3, but you can install the genuine Windows Office as well. Image editor, PaintNet. It is best to use for the basic tool to edit the videos, edit the pictures. Then the security malware, anti-malware. You have to install first of all the any antivirus that resists against the threatening websites or threatening links and saves your windows and data. Mostly the new devices have built-in antivirus. If they doesn't have, you have to check it and enable it. If doesn't have in its files, then you have to download this. It is good, will be good for your system's health and security. Seventh one is the media player, VLC. You have to install the best player and download it from the any apps downloading website or software downloading websites. It is best for all types of videos. Try to download the updated version. Next one is file compression and extraction, 7-zip. So there you have to install the 7-zip. 7-zip is best for the unzip the folders and use it to extract files. Then the messaging, for messaging there should be RAM box. Chances that you are use the latest message service. Stay in touch with your friends. Rambox is our pick for the best messaging app on Windows. It lets you add accounts from the dozens of popular messaging services, including WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Skype, Telegram, GroupMe, Discord, and many more. You can add different types of accounts in this to save your data. Clipboard manager, clip. It is important to copy and to save the data or any type you want to save for store on the system's memory. Password manager, Bitwarden. And if you have logged in different accounts on your system, you can download that app to save your passwords. Then for backup, Backblaze, you can use this application for backing up your data to store the data in the system, because in case of any threat to the Windows software or any type of device, you must have to recover your data. Storage management. Tree size free means you can use this folder type. Everyone knows has a running of low storage. That's one of the useful apps should install on every Windows system is a disk analyzer, that which folder or which specific file type have the size or hold the largest capacity of your script auto hotkey. Its purpose is just a few example. You can create quick text compression, enable automatic typo correction, override certain keyboard keys, and create macros to perform several actions with a few key press. So it was also a good thing to download. So hope you will like today's videos. Thank you for watching my video.